Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Many Outlook users wonder where the Actions tab went. If you're looking for the Actions menu from older Outlook versions, it's no longer a distinct tab in modern Outlook. Microsoft has integrated these functions into other parts of the interface. You won't find a single Actions tab in Outlook 365, Outlook 2016, 2019, or 2021. Instead, most common actions are now directly on the main ribbon. Look at the Home tab, Send/Receive a tab, or View a tab. For example, Reply, Forward, and a Move are right there on the Home tab. A powerful tool is the right-click context menu. Right-click on an email, a folder, or a contact. This menu reveals many actions specific to that item. You can delete, move, mark as read, or create rules directly from here. Within an open email or item, look for an ellipsis, which is, or a More Options button. This often contains actions like print, find, or edit message. Some less common actions like rules, or a junk email settings might be under this File tab. If you used Actions to perform custom tasks, explore Quick Steps on the Home tab of your ribbon. Quick Steps let you combine multiple actions into one click. This is a very efficient way to replicate what you might have done with older actions and menus. It streamlines your workflow significantly. So, while the Actions tab is gone, its functions are still easily accessible throughout Outlook.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.